Welcome back everyone. So how you can compress file or folder using built-in zip tool. Okay, so how you can do that in Windows system. So first of all, I'll open my file explorer. Okay, so click on file explorer here, and now I'm going to the folder. Okay, so in the music folder I have this folder, okay, called project. Okay, so let me show you the properties. Okay, so you can see it's 180 MB. Okay, 180 MBs. Okay, so that's it. We have to compress it. So right click on it, and here you can see compress to zip, 7-zip, tar, and additional. So we need to use additional tool. This is the Windows own tool, so we use 7-zip. Okay, click on it, and now it's compressing. Okay, so it's compressed successfully. We can see its properties. Okay, so let's right click on it, and you can see the properties is here, 175 MB and 180 MB. It's decreased by 180 MB to 175 MB. Okay, we have 5 MB compress. Okay, and also it's depend on file. So this is the actually a video, so we cannot compress too much about it. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, and if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.